All right, guys, we have our top 3 plays for Tuesday night's MLB action coming at you right now. First off, total play tonight is going to the Rangers and Rockies game at Coors Field. Tonight's total is at 11. Now, don't let that scare you off. Last night, these teams combined for 15, and their previous home game, the Rockies had 14. Question marks on both pitchers, and Colorado's offense that is much better than their winning record suggests, hitting a league best over 305. Over is the way to go here, guys. I'm seeing totals creep up to 11.5, so get those plays in early. Now our underdog play tonight is on the White Sox facing off against the Cardinals. Carlos Rodon and Michael Wacha getting the start, and while Wacha is on the fringe of Cy Young talk, he's coming off his worst start of the season and may be forced to go deeper in this game than usual, with the Cardinals bringing a very tired bullpen into this game after an 18-inning marathon their last time out. St. Louis also playing cannot hit lefties. 227 on the year, and also this month in July have a combined 228 average. We side with the White Sox tonight, who have gone 6-2 in this series so far in 2015. And finally, our run line play tonight is the Dodgers-Braves game in Atlanta. Brett Anderson and Alex Wood face off, and these two guys are just headed in opposite directions, with Anderson the one trending up. Wood has an 8.49 earned run this month, and Anderson 2.48 earned run over his last 3 starts. Also, Anderson much better on the road, while Wood is worse at home with a 1.70 whip. Fade numbers here for sure. Now, Joe Gavazzi points out in his article today that the Dodgers' road wins are by 2 or more 80% of the time, while 89% of the time Atlanta's home losses are by 2 or more. Doesn't get much better than that, guys. Dodgers on the run line is the play here. Good luck, and I'll be back tomorrow for another MLB rundown right here at Sportsbook Review.